Relationships are one of the most important aspects of our lives. Whether it's romantic or platonic, relationships are what keep us going and make life worth living. But let's face it, relationships can be tricky. They require work, dedication, and a whole lot of love. That's why I have compiled a list of relationship tips and tricks to help you build a strong and healthy relationship. Tip 1. Communication is key. One of the most important things in any relationship is communication. Whether it's a small issue or a big one, it's important to talk to your partner and express your feelings. Don't let things build up and cause resentment. Instead, take the time to have an open and honest conversation. Communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. It's important to communicate effectively with your partner, whether it's about small issues or big ones. A good communication strategy is to use I statements instead of you statements. For example, instead of saying, "You always leave your dirty clothes on the floor," say, "I feel frustrated when I see dirty clothes on the floor." This approach helps you express your feelings without putting your partner on the defensive. It's also important to listen actively to your partner's perspective and show empathy for their feelings. Tip 2. Show appreciation. Everyone likes to feel appreciated and valued, and your partner is no exception. Take the time to show your partner how much you appreciate them. Whether it's a simple thank you or a grand gesture, let them know that they are loved and appreciated. Showing appreciation is essential in any relationship. It's easy to take your partner for granted, but making an effort to acknowledge and thank them for their contributions can go a long way. Some simple ways to show appreciation include saying thank you, writing a heartfelt note, or surprising them with a small gift. Remember, it's the thought that counts, so even a small gesture can make a big impact. Tip 3. Try new things together. Trying new things together can be a great way to strengthen your bond and create new memories. Whether it's a new hobby or a new cuisine, step outside of your comfort zone and explore new things together. Trying new things together is a great way to keep your relationship fresh and exciting. It can also help you learn more about each other's interests and strengths. Whether it's taking a cooking class, trying a new sport, or exploring a new city, stepping outside your comfort zone can lead to new shared experiences and memories. Remember, the goal is to have fun and enjoy each other's company, so don't worry too much about being perfect or getting everything right. Tip 4. Keep the romance alive. It's easy for romance to fizzle out over time, but it's important to keep the spark alive in your relationship. Plan date nights, surprise your partner with a thoughtful gesture, or simply tell them how much you love them. Keeping the romance alive can be a challenge, especially if you've been together for a while. But it's important to make an effort to show your partner that you care. This can include planning regular date nights, surprising them with a thoughtful gift or gesture, or simply expressing your love and affection. Remember, romance doesn't have to be grand gestures or expensive gifts. It can be as simple as holding hands, cuddling on the couch, or telling your partner how much you appreciate them. Tip 5. Laugh together. Laughter is the best medicine, and it's also a great way to bond with your partner. Whether it's a funny movie or a silly inside joke, take the time to laugh together and enjoy each other's company. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool and can help you connect with your partner on a deeper level. It's important to make time for fun and humor in your relationship, even during challenging times. This can include watching a comedy show together, telling each other jokes, or reminiscing about funny shared experiences. Laughter can also help you cope with stress and anxiety, so don't underestimate the power of a good laugh. Relationships can be tough, but with these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to building a strong and healthy relationship with the one you love. Remember, communication is key. Show appreciation, try new things together, keep the romance alive, and laugh together. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below on any videos you want to see next. I will see you in my next video.